Yeah, dear student, welcome back to the business study class. Today we continue with our chapter 9 financial management, and in the previous classes I taught you about the three major decisions which is required to be taken at the time of doing any big thing or to diversify your business. So first was the investment decision. So that is also known as capital budgeting decision. Afterward we studied about the financing decision and then dividend decision. Clear? These three decisions are required to be taken by a company, and what are the factors related to that to be considered for taking this decision. Clear? So basic factor to be considered are cash flow position, because everything is dependent upon that, stability of earning, your market reputation, etc. Clear? So our next topic is financial planning. Clear? So the concept of financial planning is, clear? Concept is, it is a preparation of, or it is a planning to prepare the financial blueprint of enterprise. To prepare the financial blueprint of an enterprise or organization futures operation. As the financial planning is a combination of the two, what the finance means requirement and planning means when you are in need. That is the most important thing while doing the financial planning, that when you are in need of money, clear, and how to bring it. If you are able to recognize these two things, you are the master of the finance. Clear? Finance, where at that point of the time how much money is required by you, and at the time of the requirement how you are going to bring the money from what sources. Clear? So that thing is called financial planning actually, but do not consider it or get confused with the financial management of it. So again, come back concept, it is a planning to prepare the financial blueprint of an enterprise future operation. Yes, future operation means what you are going to do in the future. If you are going to diversify, see in this pandemic time, Ambani Jamnagar refinery and Geomart, they have attracted several type of investors, and even this pandemic time when business is shut down, they have gathered a record amount of investment in his company. So that thing is called financial planning. At what point of the time you are going to require the money. Okay? And it is also aimed at enabling the company to tackle the uncertainty. Clear? At the time of uncertainty, from where you are going to bring or brought the money in the organization. Clear? For example, Reliance Mukesh Ambani has gathered a record investment from one of the leading company of Saudi Arabia, Aramco. It's the biggest oil refinery. They have invited money or investment from them in his company. Clear? So that thing comes under financial planning. Clear? So this is the concept of financial planning. Now do not get confused of the financial planning with financial management. These are two different things. Clear? Do not mix financial planning with financial management. Planning means to know at what point of time you need money. At what point of time you need money. Clear? And financial management deals with how cheaper finance you are able to brought. Clear? Financial management means how much cheaper finance you are able to brought. That things come under financial management. So these are two different things. Always remember. Clear? So concept is clear. Your financial management is clear, and financial planning is also clear. Now definition. It is a process of estimating It is a process of estimating the funds requirement of company. It is a process of estimating the funds requirement of a company. Clear? So that thing comes under financial planning. Okay. Now see the objective. So there are twin objective of financial management, and that is very crucial whenever you do financial planning. Clear? First is to ensure availability of fund as and when required. To ensure availability of the funds as and when required. This is the most important. Clear? Second point, do not raise unnecessarily. Do not raise the funds unnecessarily. Clear? These are the basic twin objective of the financial management, and these are very crucial. Clear? First is to ensure the availability of the fund as and when required. You have to always have a very faithful relation with your financer. Clear? And even if something happens, you almost take your finance provider in confidence. Clear? So to ensure the availability of the fund as and when required. And do not raise the funds unnecessarily. See, it is said in financial planning that under capital is bad, but over capital is very bad. Because what will happen in under capital, you do some work, but you are not able to do the full amount of work. But what will happen in idle fund? When you are having idle funds, nothing to worry. You will also remain idle. Clear? Or even if you are active, but what will you do when anybody asks for ROI, return on investment? Clear? Because every time you have to show this thing, ROI. This we also studied in chapter 8, previous chapter. Techniques of control, ROI, return on investment. Okay? For example, if 100 crore rupees are lying idle in your bank account, clear, for 3 months, 2 months or 1 month, clear? So what will you do? What will you tell to your lenders? That I have not done anything with your fund, sorry, I am not able to pay the interest. So is anybody going to listen to you? No, nobody will listen to you. Clear? Why they are paying the money? Because 8% is already paid by the bank. There is no need to worry. Money is 100% safe. They are taking the risk and giving the money to you. Why? So that you can provide to them adequate returns. So these twin objectives of the financial management are very crucial and has to be always kept in mind while doing the financial planning. That to ensure the availability of the fund as and when required. Because if in the midnight you need a fund and one lender is ready to provide you the fund, then you must also show him good ROI, not the zero ROI. So second thing is, do not raise the funds unnecessarily. The same thing we are studying in our accountancy chapter 8, issue of share capital. So what we are studying under that? Why we are calling money in fraction? So as and when you get the money, as and when required, no need to raise the funds unnecessarily. For example, if you are constructing a highway or any road of 1 crore, 10 crore, 100 crore, you are not supposed to require the whole amount from the very first day. Okay? If you are preparing a road for 1 crore or 10 crore, do you need the whole amount from the very first day? No, it is not required. So you must ensure that when you are in need of the money, and do not raise the funds unnecessarily. Okay? Now we are going to study the importance of financial planning. Next is importance of financial planning. Importance of financial planning. So the first importance is it helps in forecasting. It helps in forecasting the funds requirement of company. Okay? Financial planning is generally done to decide in advance how much fund is required at what time. Clear? So you already forecast that at what point of the time you may require the fund and inform to your, if you are a project manager, inform this thing to your finance manager that at what point of the time how much funds is required. So that is why you have to do the financial planning very carefully. So it helps in forecasting what may happen in the future about different type of business situation. Right now pandemic is going on, nobody predicted this thing, but you must ensure the availability of the fund to make regular payments. So many business enterprises have shown a record, taken a landmark judgment to make the continuous payment to take care of their employees so that business may not hurt at any cost. It also helps in avoiding financial crunch. It helps in avoiding financial shocks. Shocks or crunches in the business, and act as a buffer. Act as a buffer to tolerate the vibrance, because when you see just 2 months back, market was very turbulent. Share market was going down, but nowadays the economy is in recovery mode. So if you are doing an adequate financial planning, it will always help you and save you from the financial shocks coming, and act as a buffer, means shock, like a shock absorber. Clear? And if you have done a proper financial planning, it helps in maintaining link. It helps in maintaining link between investors. It helps in maintaining link between you means businessman and investor. Even this crucial time, see, Mukesh Ambani is able to collect a huge amount of the revenue from their investors. So this is called the financial planning, best financial planning. When everybody business is going down, your investment is going high. So this all depends upon your financial planning. Clear? So financial planning has to be done by a very expertise person. Clear? It is also as a link between present, to link your present with your future. Clear? Because the most difficult time is the time when market is turbulent. So if you are able to maintain that thing, it would be very easier for you to carry forward your organization in difficult times. Clear? So I hope importance would be clear to you. Now types of financial planning. Now types of financial planning. Now there are 2 types of financial planning. First is short term and another is long term. Clear? Short term and long term. Clear? So before going to the types of financial planning, we will see the process of financial planning. Process of financial clear? Process of financial planning. So process of financial planning start with the preparation of sales forecast. Financial planning start with the preparation of sales forecast, because everything is dependent upon the revenue to be earned by you. Clear? So you can see several cases when there are several companies are having tremendous amount of the share, but right now they are not able to gain that share, or they strive to gain that. For example, I will give you the example of Kodak. There was a time when Kodak was having a business control of 85% of the photography business. Right now they are at 3%. So it is very difficult to regain the old glory. Clear? But they can, from 3% they can strive to get 5%, 8% or 9%. So everything starts with the preparation of sales forecast. Clear? Then second is preparation of financial statements. Based on the above forecast, what you will do? You will do the preparation of financial statements. Now, what are those financial statements? Clear? Under that comes is the preparation of financial statement, means fixed capital and availability of the fixed capital and working capital. Clear? And the requirement of the funds, estimated profit and loss account, projected balance sheet. Okay. Estimation of profit, estimation of profit means while you are making a forecast that from 5% you will be able to gain the 8% or 10%, when you are doubling your sales or tripling your sales, then at the same time you have to prepare your financial statement, projected balance sheet, projected P&L, ratio analysis, and then at the same time you have to make an estimation of profits. Only then you are able to gain the investors. Why the biggest oil company of the UAE is supposed to make investment in the company of Mukesh Ambani? Because they saw the profit, they already estimate the profit, that company is going on very good pace, so definitely they will have good amount of profit. Clear? Then estimation of sources of funds. Clear? Who are the probable supplier of the funds for you? That is also to be estimated by you. Clear? Though several type of institutions are there, but how you are able to influence them, that is totally dependent upon you. Okay. Next and last is preparation of cash budget. Preparation of cash budget. Why there is a need to prepare the cash budget? Because whenever you are forecasting a sale of increasing it by some percent, 10, 15, 20, 50%, whatever it is, clear? So you are in need of cash, because in order to increase the market share, you have to do the new research, new type of models, clear? Whether it is mobile, car, new type of efficiency. So for that purpose, research and development is required. Cash preparation of cash budget is required. So many things are required to be prepared, because you have to invest the money, afterwards money will come to you. Clear? So this is called the process of financial planning. I hope this thing is clear to you. In the next video we will meet with some other concept. Thank you.